Hey guys, Little Cheesy Mac on YouTube. Um, Today I'll be opening 25 alpha packs. I wanted to save up to 400, but they were just staring at me. I have to. Um, so I'm screen sharing in Discord with Strix, but whatever. Sorry I haven't posted in a while. I haven't been recording. Alright, Strix, you can unmute. First alpha pack. We're gonna be getting,
Uncommon.
uncommon. My bad. Shut up, kid. Uncommon. I'm just kidding, down. I need you for the views. Uncommon again for the sausage. Oh, let's see. First common. Red Crow headgear. Okay, thanks, game. I love this game.
What if you get all commons
That's pretty nice.
for a common? It's okay.
Why the hell is that a common? Why is that epic?
Eh.
I already have that. More money, more alpha packs.
Hey.
I already have.
That's like the ugliest camo you can get.
Ooh,
Doc
sweet. I
chibi.
played Doc a lot, and I don't have a charm to put on for him. Another chibi?
You got that? I don't like you. I want that so bad.
It looks okay. Dude, just get Firefly. It's
It's
the epic one, or legendary. Not Black Ice. Come on, game. You know you want to give me Black Ice. This is a rare?
it's okay.
Oh, it's nice.
Compass. That one's a cool one.
I have her elite skin.
Compass is still cool.
I have Black Ice
Yes.
for this gun, so I'm not gonna use that.
Disassociate, boys. The best skin in the game.
Apparently the game
Let's
loves
see
Doc
how
for
many
me.
Doc headgears you can get.
Alright, we're at 2 so far.
Another epic. That's not bad. That's not bad.
I actually don't have a headgear for Bandit.
Oh
You know it's Black Eyes!
no! You don't even use that.
I do sometimes.
That sucks.
It looks so nasty.
Epic.
Oh
yeah.
Ah, my goodness. All the good skins.
Hey.
Hey, I still don't have.
Hey.
I don't have that. Man,
Union Jack.
this
Heartbreaker.
looks pretty
That's
cool.
okay. For common, whatever.
See,
Meh.
this looks better than that epic I got.
Hey. Oh!
For the sausage!
Boy.
Oh, yeah. Boy.
Open that boy.
I have that! Jaboya!
Jaboy. Oh, you're getting so lucky. How? How do you get these many? I would have had like all commons.
I actually don't have a thermite headgear either.
And that covers his stupid goggles, so it's good.
Even though he wears it over it.
Ew. I hate that pistol skin. Even though I have it. One alpha pack. We're desperate out here. 2. Okay. Will he get to 4? Yes, he will. Okay.
Class 4, let's go! Uncommon. Or common, my bad.
Come on. How?
Maybe? Oh,
Hey,
goodness.
that's okay, but it's a duplicate. Boy. Ew, why?
Isn't that the second
Is
time
that
I
all?
got that same thing?
Oh,
Uno
yep, one more.
mas. One more.
Shablan. No.
If I get one more common or duplicate.
Hey.
Hey, this one looks way better.
Yeah.
The only thing I'll be equipping is that for Capiteo. This headgear for Thermite. Look how ugly that looks. Why?
Ew.
Why you?
Ew.
Mm. And then
Union Jackie, dude. Oh
nah,
yeah,
bro.
black ice, bro. Black ice.
Yes. Unless you're squishy as boss and hate black ice for some reason. No, this is Vinka. I'm going like all sorts of out of order, so let's do this.
Yoink.
Hey, look, still best charm. Viva de Mexico.
Let's go, boys.
Hey, you always gotta go pro 90. Nah, dude. This one? This one for the meme.
Let's go rain, dude. What did you want to get out of this?
More black ice or a legendary?
Well, you got your black ice.
But
Just not a
at least I didn't
legendary.
get your nasty legendary headgear.
I
Alright,
got
let's
the
do this.
freaking.
Alright,
No,
that's for the meme. I didn't even know I had that.
I got the freaking Capcan
Capcan headgear.
legendary ski
The
mask
ski mask.
guy.
Ugh. It sucks to be you, my dude.
Hypnosis. Ah, those skins are so ugly. I hate it.
Shh, don't be a hater. See, look, the skin's pretty good.
Brah. That one's the best. Beast.
I've been putting this on every single gun. I don't have a good camo for.
Brah. Brah. Damascus still? Hmm?
I need to get a lot more.